Hello, everyone. Welcome again to this third class of your online graphics design day 2. So today we've been learning how to design different flyers. The first class actually we learned how to design a church flyer, and I'm sure now a lot of you are having inspirations. Things are coming to your mind, what you can do, and all of that. Yes, the whole power is in your mind. All right, so don't allow anybody beef you, or don't feel intimidated, because already we have professionals in this class who just want to advance their skill and all. So don't let anybody's design throw you off balance. Okay, you can do it. So gradually you become better. All right, so the second class was where we learned how to design a birthday flyer. And one thing I told us is this: see, your design, just ensure you adopt what is called simplicity. You don't need your design to be too complicated. Okay, the beauty of your design is not in the complication. As long as it captures all the content that you desire, then that's enough. All right, so now we're going to be looking at how to design a business flyer. Okay, so that business you have, or even you as a graphics designer, you can learn how to design a flyer just to publicize what you do and make people understand. So just with a view, just people looking at your flyer, how can you attract them? How can you make them want to do a business with you and all? So we're going to be looking at that. And quickly, this is what we're going to be designing today. We're going to be designing this today. Yes, a dash closet. You can see how beautiful it is. Yes. All right, so how did we come about this? So we're going to be using our Canva app today as well. So let's go straight to our Canva application. Here it is. So you just open it, and remember I told you that we normally use Instagram post, and I explained to us why we use Instagram post. Okay, so you click on it. You don't necessarily have to use the one I'm using. All right, so you just look for anyone that suits what you want. Okay, but for the sake of this design, I'm going to be teaching us how to do a design from the scratch. Okay, so we're going to be using Canva app, but then you just click on the blank. So we're using a blank space. So we'll start everything we're doing on a blank space. All right, so this is our worksheet here. Good. So let's just see, what do we do first? The first thing, I would like to change the background color. So let's just have this as a background color. Yeah, that looks good. Yes, good. So we have that, and we'll be adding some text to it now. Now, the thing about Canva is once you click on text, it brings to you some already arranged templates on how your text is going to come up, the colors and all of that. And if you look at this huge sale, the one we have here, I think I like this. This is nice. So we just have this right up here, and just the size of it. Okay, so this is it. All right, so let's edit that. We have Oda. Okay, all right, sorry. Okay, Oda apostrophe S, Oda's closet. All right, I think that's it, and we're good to go. So you can just reduce it a bit, and alignment is key. So that's at the center right there. Good. So now we are looking at how to, and so if it's Oda's closet, she's dealing with, of course, clothings and all of that. So we just go online now. You go to google.com, and then you download the kind of material she sells. Okay, so it's not that maybe Oda's closet, she's selling suit, and then you are downloading Ankara as a design. That your client will not be happy with that. So you just ask her the kind of business. You ask your client the business he or she is into, and then you go online and sort soft materials that will align with what she's doing. But before that, okay, so we have to create a frame here where we are going to fix whatever we want to do. So let's just bring in the frame. So one thing about Canva is that if you go to your elements, now your own might not come up this way because of the peculiarity of this phone. So your own, you might just see, so you go to you would see illustration. Okay, so click on illustration, and then you can type in frame. Okay, and it will bring out the frame. So it's frame that we're using. Okay, frame, not shape. Frame. So because why is it frame? Frame will allow your picture or whatever image you are bringing be to be merged with that particular frame. So it will be inside. Okay, so let's just look for a triangular frame. So this is it, like this. So let's go with this. Okay. So you can just to increase it a bit. Yeah, I think that's all right. Perfect. Good. So now once you click it and you click this replace, any image you just bring in will fall in right there. So let's bring other frames, a circular frame too. This is it. And just reduce the size a bit. Right. So instead of going to find the frame, just copy that and then bring it to this other side. Yeah, I think it's properly aligned now. Let's just shift it a bit. Yeah, perfect. All right. And now we're bringing in a shape. This time we're going to bring in a shape. Let's get a shape. Okay, not a frame now. A shape. All right, so this is our shape. Okay, so why exactly are we bringing in shape? This is where we're going to write out all the details, okay, just to make it unique. You can do yours however you want, but I like my details to be arranged this way. Everything just at the bottom line right here. Okay, so you put everything you have down here. Okay, yes. So before we go online, let me just finish all the text work here before we have to go online to download stuff. So here, this is where we're going to be needing a phone number and all of that. So text, we'll just be adding a text of my own. Okay. Then we edit that. So phone number, 08. Okay, so this is the number here. Good. So just reduce the size. And of course, you can see that white is not actually a very nice color. White is not a nice color. So you change the color here. So let's give it the color of the background that we have there, just to make it good, and then make it bold. Nice. This is nice. So just shift it. Remember, I told you alignment is very, very key. So now we have that. We just copy it, okay, and bring it right here. Now we're editing it too. So what information are we going to have here? Let's just say her email that's Debbie. So that's it right there. Good. So we'll be reducing all of the sizes. So let's just check what size that is. That's 23 point. So let's just make it 23. Entirely 23. Okay. So 23. So make this one 23 also, just to ensure that all of them are the same. So this one also 23. We're good. So remember alignment. So yes, properly aligned. Since we'll be adding something else, like maybe Instagram handle, Facebook handle, and all of that, just ensure there is enough space for all of those things. Okay, so if it doesn't capture that enough, then you can still reduce the size. Okay, all right, so I think this is okay. And then we copy this. And then we edit it. So here we just add the Instagram handle. So that's Debbie for Ola. Right. So that's our IG handle. Right. Good. So I think we're good to go. So now what are we going to do? We are going to be going on to get those icons. Now all of those things are already on, they're already right here on your Canva. So just go to the element, and for you, just go to illustrations and type icon. All right, so this icon is already here. Let me just click it. So this is for the Instagram handle. You just bring it right here. Okay, good. Balance. So let's get the other one we're looking for. Okay, so I've already used all of these things before. So this is, the email icon. All right, so just bring that right here. Okay, good. And next is, be looking for that phone icon. So the reason why they are on my recently used is because I've actually done a design where I had to use them. So that's why they are right there. So if yours is not there, just go to your illustration and search for icons. They will come out right there, and then you can use them. So you can see this is beautiful. Okay, so the next thing remaining is just for us to go online and download the images that we are going to fix into these frames. All right. Okay, so I've told you how to do it. You go online. Let me just show us, because I've already downloaded all of these things myself. But you just go on your Chrome, and then you type in clothing stores, depending on what you want. So if it is suits you're looking for, if it is suits you're looking for, anything, just type it and then click on images. You're going to see a lot of them. All right, and then from here you can choose any one you want. So I already downloaded the images I needed, so I'll just be going back to my Canva now. So this is where you just do them, you download them, and then you can fix the images right there. All right, good. So just go ahead and be creative, do something that your mind is telling you. So now once you click on the frame, okay, you press replace. So you are going to see the images, okay, and then you click on that image, you see it automatically fits in to it. You can see that, right? Yes. So that's beautiful. You click on this one, you press replace. So let me fix this one here instead. You can see it's already there. You click this, you press replace, and then you click on the image. You see, beautiful, and we're done. That's just all it is. So now you can see that there is something that is left, just a caption, just to make the people feel, once they just look at it. So what exactly does Oda's Closet offer? So what makes them unique? Why are we going to be having, why would we want to, shop in Oda's Closet? So that's one of the things that makes your work very unique. So you just type that here. The reason why you can't see that is because of the color, of course. So let me change the color before editing that, so that we'll be seeing what we're doing. Okay, so give it a yellow color. Okay, and then now we can edit. So we make you look good and stunning, right? So that's the reason why you might want to shop with Oda's Closet, because she makes you look good and stunning. And you can see that. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. So what's the last thing to do is to get in the logo of your client. So if your client doesn't have a logo, so this is where you can actually, offer or tell your client that, okay, let me design the logo for you and all of that. And then it adds to your income. So we're just going to be getting Oda's logo now. Okay. So I don't think it's here. Let's go to uploads. Should be somewhere around here, I think. Okay, so upload media. So upload media, go to, I think, design that, and so that is it. All right. So we have that. Just wait for it to load up. Once it loads up, we can click it and then fix it somewhere at the top, just behind the Oda's Closet. Yeah. Right, so we're just cropping all of these parts because we don't need them. It's the logo we're actually looking for in particular. Right. Yeah, good. So just reduce the size and then take that, reduce the size a bit, and then take it right up here. Okay, so that is it. Or it's not looking aligned here because the logo is a bit, so let's just take this somewhere here and then bring this close. Yeah, all right, so that's closet. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. All right, so go ahead and design a business flyer. You can design any business flyer. It does not have to be a clothing store. It can be anything. It can be just anything you think about. Okay, so go ahead and make a design of a business flyer and drop it right down on the page. If you have any questions, just ensure you drop your questions on the page, okay, and you'll be responded to appropriately. Thank you for following this class. I remain my humble self, BCCM Inspirations. So the last thing to do is to save your work, of course. And I told you it's always better to save as JPEG, okay, because automatically Canva saves your work as a PNG file. And I've told you that the PNG file is a file without a background. So just click on the topmost right of your screen there, save as. You click right here, JPEG. If you want to print it, you are creating a flyer that you want to print, okay, you click here and then you can see PDF print, okay. And so this PDF print will come with crop, marks and bleed. You click it. So what this means is it's going to give a space where after printing you can cut it off so that you will not have to cut off your design. Understand? But we are not printing this, so it's just a JPEG, and then we download our work. All right. So you wait for it to download, and then let's start to view what we've just done. Let's open it with a gallery. Wow, this is so beautiful. That is beautiful. So go ahead and design yours. It doesn't have to be anything very hard. So just go ahead and design yours, okay? Okay, so thank you for following up the class. And like I told you, there is a peculiarity of this particular Canva app because this is a unique pro. Okay, so if you actually want this type of Canva, then you can message Oda directly, and then she will tell you what is involved, because this pro, of course, you need to pay to unlock it. So she will give you the link where you can just get the pro directly at a very, very affordable price. Thank you so much for following the class. God bless you.